Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'm going to explain how we can build accrual matrix in Oracle HCM. An accrual band is a grouping of calculated accruals based on common criteria within each group. Use an accrual band matrix to build criteria using various factors such as length of service, location, or grade. Here there are some example. Based on these we can create the band matrix like length of service, location, and grades. So let's move on to the application where we are going to create the actual band matrix. In order to create the accrual band matrix, first we have to create the drive factor. So let's move on to the my client group and then click on the show more option. Here find the drive factor under the absences. Here we use length of service. Let's click on the create option. Click on the length of service, then click on the create option. Here fill the name, greater than or equal to length of service 0 and less than 5. Period start date rule as a date of hire, and determination rule is a as of event date. And if you want to give the rounding rule, you can here give. Then click on the save and close option. So this is how we can create the drive factor under the length of service. Let's use this with the accrual plan which we created. Again, click on the show more option and find the absence balance here under the absences. Click on it. Find the plan. Select it. Here, go to the accruals and then click on the edit option and then update. Here, just scroll down. You can see here the accrual matrix. Okay. For processing this, you have to select ceiling rule as a including in matrix under the plan limit option. You can find the ceiling rule. Here you have to select the include in matrix, and also you can select a carryover limit rule as a include in matrix. Okay. So let's click on the create option. Here give the sequence, then click on the expression builder option. Here go to the derive and length of service. Here you find your service you created, New York less than 5 here. Then you can copy it from here. First you have to here, and then select this length of service dot New York. So we can write this kind of expression here. Person dot location. Location is a New York, and the drive factor is a length of service less than 5 here. Just click on OK. Okay, then give the accrual rate here. Then ceiling value, which is maximum value, we can say, and here give the carryover limit. Okay, and if you want add another one, you can also add it. Second, select the expression builder, and then select the entity if you want, then expand this person, and you can choose here the department, job, grade. So click here grade, here first you have to create grade A1 and A3, then give expression like this. Just we give it at the drive factor length of service, like person dot grade greater than equals to A1 and person dot grade less than equals to A3. Okay, so this is how you can give the expression for the grade. I just don't add another one here. I just add only one accrual matrix here. And then I'm going to save this. So this is how you can add the accrual matrix under the accrual absence plan. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.